Welcome to Explaincad. In this video, we will know about a revolved cut. For revolved cut, we need a cylindrical body. So I create a cylinder, top plane, sketch, normal, circle command, right click, select option, give it some dimensions, 150 mm, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, Ctrl plus 7 for isometric view, go to extruded boss base feature, extrude up to 50 mm. OK. Now select front plane, sketch, normal. First of all, create a line. We use this line in axis of revolution. Now I create a circle. Right click, select option, give it some dimensions, 30 mm. OK. Come right click, select option, come back from the sketch. From here we can select revolved cut, axis of revolution. Select this line. Direction 1 blind. We can adjust angle from here. This cut is revolved about 360 degree. We can change it up 180 degree. From here we can change its direction. Again keep it 360 degree. From here we can apply it direction 2. Thin feature is same that I explained in previous video. Okay, this is revolved cut feature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.